Alright, then Slappa Ebeleni Pai in PE. Mohamed Salah has brought it again. Mohamed Salah combination has brought it again. Fifth year running Ebeleni. We're script punch for the first time. Mafiki just killed it. How are you feeling, guys?
We're feeling good. The turnout is very exciting. We love the crowd. You know that people like PE, they support this show, and wonderful lineup as well. You know, the artists that are also performing here, a great lineup. We are very happy to be here.
How would you say the reception was? Because there's a pretty mixed crowd. There's a lot of youth. There's a lot of your older folk as well. It's a nice blend. How would you say that they actually received you guys after?
It was amazing. I mean, from the first song, and we had to cut out some songs, you know, because we got such a huge catalog. But, you know, the response from the crowd was amazing. We had a great time. I mean, the crowd was singing along to each and every song that we were performing, and they were, you know, doing the dance moves. So it was that two-way connection that we had with the crowd.
But otherwise, what would you say to someone who's not here? What did they miss out on?
Everything. The vibe is just crazy amazing. I mean, look at that crowd. Huge numbers. And they're missing out on the vibe. They're missing out on good music, both international and local. I mean, there's Selena Johnson, there's Monique, you know. So it's everything all in one. So if you're missing this show, it's like you missed out. People need to plan their year around this show. It's an amazing show. It's our first time here, and it was amazing for us.
And I would just say to those, you know, because come December time, people don't know where to go. So come visit PE, come closer to us, the show, you know, and come and enjoy with your family. And you know that come the time to come and watch the show, you come and perform, and then you come and you know, come to the show. But I would say it's a very growing concept. You know, the numbers are amazing. You know, from the stage and looking there, it's like wow.
You're not here. Where are you? The whole of PE is here. So.
Yeah, you heard it pressed from Mafikis all of themselves. If you're not here, where are you? We just had fireworks. We're about to celebrate the new year not so long from now. So yeah, Ebeleni, Mohamed Salah Communications brought it again. 5th year running, Skripante Silapa Upuena.